said, I'm pretty much hacked out after all of this. Levi, it's your turn to take over.
What? What the hell? Five-minute crafts.
How are all of you incredible people doing today? My name is Levi Peters and this is Demetrios Levi, a channel where I help you find your personal style, but we also talk grooming, lifestyle, philosophy, with memes and anime now, apparently. Hacks, they sound great in theory, but most of them just suck.
You suck!
And it doesn't get any more sucky than 5-minute crafts. These guys piss me off, man. It's typical corporate garbage, you know, and they recycle all their junk, man, and they really shouldn't be popular at all. No one in the right mind would subscribe to them, even though they have 50 million subscribers.
You disgrace! You are everything that's gone wrong in this world. You are self-consumed, no talent, mediocre piece of shit.
Now to spare you guys, me bruv, Ben Arthur, and myself have done these for you already. You guys gotta go to Ben's channel to actually see his side of the story yourself. It's entertaining AF, and the hacks are odd. I'll leave it at that. But I'll also leave Ben's YouTube channel link in the description and a card somewhere up here for you guys to go entertain yourself. He's got an amazing channel, man, and I am so blessed that he allowed a pleb like me to go on his video, on his channel, man. Bless you, Papa. So the first one is a 5-second tie knot, apparently. Bold statement, but we have proof. It's interesting. Let's go.
Let's do this!
Come on. Sorry, it's my first time. All right, again, let's do this. Freaking, what is he even grabbing?
2 hours later.
Hey, I finally did it. Sweet. I mean, it didn't take 5 seconds, but here, let me put this on. Not the right shirt, but let's see how well this stays. Not bad, but to be honest, here's what I'm a little confused at. Why would you need to tie a tie in 5 seconds? This is much harder than just learning how to do a normal forehand or whatever, you know? And you know what? What situation are you gonna be in where it needs to take you need 5 seconds? You just have 5 seconds to tie your tie, or else what? You're dead, you're doomed, you're fired, I don't know. And the major problem here is this only just takes into account one tie knot, which you don't just want one tie knot if you have different shirts with different collar types on them. You know, you have widespread, you have pin, you got yada yada yada, you know, so many of them. Is this really helpful? Is this a hack? No, not in my book. Let's look at the next one. All right, let's see what the next one is. Okay. Alright. I don't know, though, about this one. It may work, it may not. It's hard to find pants that fit me, because if they do fit me around the waist, they're tied around the thighs, because, you know, I'd be so thick. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, these are my best fitting pants right here. So, let's see how it goes. And just snug it up. And yeah, I mean, I guess. Like, how precise is this supposed to be? Is this just supposed to be an average? Are you supposed to pull it as tight as you can? Is it just, are the tips just allowed to touch? I mean, yeah, I guess you could say this works, but you know what's probably an easier thing to do? Figure out what your waist size is and then just check the tag. I mean, I really don't know when this will come in handy. Maybe thrift shopping? I mean, so yeah, I probably won't be trying this hack anytime soon, but maybe I should get some pants on and let's start the other hack. This ain't the epitome of lazy. There, I don't want to see what that is. Wow. Let's try it, though. I think this is wrinkly enough for our test. Oh, and fantastic band, by the way, from my hometown. Go check them out. But you know what? Let's just start with this mega lazy men's hack. All right, there. Let's lay you down nice and comfortable like. There we go. All right, now I just gotta sit here and wait. You know what? They never said how long I was supposed to wait. What the heck? Oh, they're called 5-minute crafts. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. Let's see if you really hold up to your knee, boy. You know what? It kind of worked. Ain't that bad. But you know what? I'll be honest. The shirt is really wrinkle resistant. It took me forever to get even a little bit of wrinkles on it. But I wore it because, you know, it's the band, you know. Gotta support them. But you know what? This was totally useless still. With all that time, you could have just sprayed it with a water bottle. And that takes out the wrinkles, and you know, you flap it real hard, and it actually works. So, or just iron it. So this was still useless and stupid, and it looks really lazy. Next one. All right, let's see. Ooh. Hey, I hope that works, because you know what? I got some dirty tennis shoes, and I got a vacuum. Let's try it. Ha. Let's do this. Okay, well, that was exactly what I expected. It was a load of I don't even know why it's called 5-minute crafts to begin with, because each of these hacks takes either 20 seconds or 20 minutes to do, nothing in between. And these videos are all at least 10 minutes, so where's the 5 minutes? Does it even exist? I say it's a conspiracy. There is no 5 minutes. Open your third eye, be woke. If you guys enjoyed my failures today, please press that like button for me until it turns blue, and subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be notified the next time I drop a new video. And share this everywhere. Show people the failures. And please, guys, go check out Ben's channel, man. He's an awesome dude. He's got a great channel, man. He knows what he's talking about. There's no BS in there. And he's British, which makes it 10 times better. I can't thank him enough for letting me collab with him, man. It's awesome. So go give him support. He deserves it. And the winner of last week's video to catch that Easter egg is Brooke Jones. Girl, that was fast. Seriously, I didn't expect actually anyone to find it that fast, but you did. Because see, guys, she got that third eye open. This vid, just like last week, it's a T-Pose character. So remember, the first person to find it and to comment it will get a shout out in the next video. And you know what that means. If you got a YouTube channel or anything like that, you get free publicity, man. So go find them. But before I head off, guys, in the comment section down below, let me know. What did you think of these hacks? Have you tried any hacks from 5 Minute Crafts? And did some of them actually work? You know they didn't work for me, but I'd love to see if they work for you. Because as you know, this is a group thing. We are in this together. All right, folks. I will see you all next week. Farewell. Oh, it took probably took a little longer than I thought. See, I seriously can't thank him enough for letting me collab with him. That's awesome, man. So please, really, the moment I get it right, man. These losers.
Who is it?
I knew the Grateful Dead in 1966. Who the f*** are you?
Yeah.
Anybody know who you are? Maybe everybody else must wish you had a piece of quiet. This is one of the most important places in all of North